Hi everyone, it's Kathy and it's time for another mini release from Whimsy Stamps. And today I'll be sharing the new Slimline Cloud Die. I'm super excited about it. You get the big Slimline die and then you also get 5 little individual cloud dies. And this is what it looks like when they're cut out. And the Slimline die measures 8.5 by 3.5. And I love the fact that the bigger clouds are attached, but I also really like that the small clouds can be used to fill in some of the more open areas in case you want to have a really very cloudy sky. I do have a couple of samples to share with you. And for this first one, I did some ink blending on a piece of cardstock and then I ran it through my die cutting machine. And I did go over the Slimline Clouds die cut with my Wink of Stella glitter pen just to have a whole bunch of shimmer on that frame. And for my second card, I did some ink blending on a piece of cardstock and I also used the Sunrays stencil. I used the Happy Sky stamp set and did a little bit of paper piecing for the hot air balloons, and then I just die cut the frame from white cardstock. And that is it. That finishes up this reveal video. For more information, I'll have that linked in the description box below for you. For more inspiration, make sure you head on over to the Whimsy Stamps blog, and we'd love to have you follow us over on Instagram and join our Facebook group. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you've not yet subscribed, we'd love it if you would. And don't forget to ring the bell so you're notified every time a new video is posted. Thanks again, and we'll see you next time.